TechProLife video title: Autonomous Drones. From Delivery to Home Security. Create a 7-minute technology documentary. The sun rises over a quiet neighborhood. It's a scene that's played out billions of times. But today, something is different. The familiar sounds of the morning, a distant car, the first bird song are joined by a new, subtle hum. It's not the rumble of a delivery truck or the footsteps of a courier. It's the sound of the future arriving quietly and efficiently, right at our doorstep. This isn't science fiction. This is a new reality taking shape around us, a world where complex logistics are simplified into a seamless, automated experience. What if this level of convenience, intelligence, and efficiency could extend beyond just our morning deliveries? What if technology could fundamentally reshape our relationship with our homes, our communities, and our environment, making everyday life not just easier, but smarter and safer? Today, we're exploring the remarkable world of autonomous drones. These aren't the remote-controlled toys you might be familiar with. These are sophisticated flying robots, equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, capable of navigating the world, making decisions, and performing complex tasks all on their own. They are rapidly evolving from niche tools into an integrated part of our daily infrastructure. We'll journey beyond the hype to understand how these intelligent machines are already changing the way we receive goods, protect our homes, and manage our properties. We look at the core technology that gives them flight and sight, from the powerful processors that act as their brains to the complex sensors that serve as their eyes and ears. We'll examine how they perceive the world in 3 dimensions, allowing them to avoid obstacles with superhuman precision and navigate without direct human control. From the warehouse to your front door, we'll follow the journey of a package and see the intricate dance of logistics, automation, and real-time data that makes instant delivery possible. We'll also investigate their growing role as vigilant guardians for our homes, capable of patrolling autonomously, identifying potential threats, and providing a level of security that was once unimaginable. Beyond our homes, these aerial platforms are becoming indispensable tools for monitoring vast properties, inspecting critical infrastructure, and even assisting first responders in life or death situations. But with great technological leaps come important questions. We'll also address the critical issues of safety, regulation, and privacy, exploring how society is adapting to a world where the skies are becoming more active every day. Join us as we explore how autonomous drones are moving from the horizon to our homes, changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Technology Overview. Explain what autonomous drones are. Show how modern drones use AI, sensors, cameras, GPS, and automation to perform tasks with minimal human control. Benefits: faster deliveries, improved security, increased efficiency, reduced costs, better monitoring, greater convenience. Real life uses package delivery, home security patrols, property inspections, emergency response, search and rescue, agriculture monitoring, infrastructure inspections. Pros: time-saving, efficient, cost-effective, improved safety, advanced monitoring capabilities. Cons: privacy concerns, security risks, weather limitations, regulatory restrictions, technical failures, future trends, AI-powered drone networks, smart city integration, autonomous delivery systems, advanced home security drones, emergency response drones, commercial drone services. Conclusion. We began this journey with a simple question: what are autonomous drones, and how are they poised to reshape our world? We've traveled from the fundamental principles of flight to the complex algorithms of artificial intelligence. We've seen how a symphony of sensors, gyroscopes, accelerometers, GPS, and advanced vision systems work in concert to give these machines a sense of their place in the world. This intricate technology is no longer confined to laboratories or military applications. It is steadily and quietly arriving at our doorsteps, our workplaces, and in our communities. The evolution from manually piloted gadgets to intelligent, autonomous partners represents a monumental leap. These are not just flying cameras, they are practical tools designed to solve real-world problems. We've explored how they can streamline logistics, turning the concept of near-instant delivery from a futuristic dream into a tangible reality. Imagine a world where essential medicines can reach a rural patient in minutes, or a critical repair part can be dispatched to a stranded vehicle without delay. This is the promise of autonomous delivery, a system built on efficiency, speed, and accessibility. Closer to home, we've seen how this technology offers a new paradigm for security and property management. An autonomous drone can serve as a vigilant guardian, patrolling a property, investigating unusual activity, and providing homeowners with unparalleled peace of mind, all while respecting designated privacy zones. The tedious, often dangerous tasks of inspecting a roof for damage or monitoring a large property can now be automated, providing detailed data that saves time, reduces risk, and helps us maintain our most valuable assets more effectively. But the impact extends far beyond our personal lives. In the hands of first responders, these drones become invaluable allies. They provide a crucial eye in the sky during search and rescue operations, using thermal imaging to find a lost hiker in dense woods. They can deliver life-saving equipment like defibrillators to a scene before paramedics can arrive. For firefighters battling wildfires, they offer real-time data on a fire's progression, helping to coordinate efforts and keep personnel safe. In these critical moments, a drone isn't just a tool, it's a lifeline. We've also touched upon the significant challenges that accompany this transformation. Concerns about privacy, data security, and noise are valid and require thoughtful solutions. Crafting sensible regulations, developing robust fail-safe technologies, and fostering public trust are not afterthoughts, they are essential components of responsible innovation. The path forward requires a collaborative effort between technologists, regulators, and the public to ensure these systems are integrated safely and ethically. As we look to the horizon, the potential is even more profound. We see a future of interconnected drone networks, managed by sophisticated air traffic systems, creating a seamless logistical fabric for our cities. We envision swarms of drones working together to replant forests, inspect miles of infrastructure with superhuman precision, and help farmers grow more food with fewer resources. The technology will continue to advance, batteries will last longer, sensors will become more powerful, and artificial intelligence will grow even smarter. The story of autonomous drones is ultimately a human one. It's about our relentless drive to innovate, to solve problems, and to build a better, safer, and more efficient world. From a simple package arriving on your doorstep to a life being saved on a remote mountainside, these flying machines are becoming an integral part of our modern lives. The sky is no longer just a limit, it is a new frontier of possibility. Autonomous drones, AI technology, smart homes, package delivery, security monitoring, modern cities, home surveillance, future technology, commercial drones, infrastructure inspections. 30% iStock, 60% stock media. Subtitles enabled. Tone, educational, professional, easy to understand, future focused. We've journeyed from the simple concept of a flying machine to the complex reality of autonomous systems that are reshaping our world. From the convenience of a package arriving on your doorstep to the critical efficiency of a roof inspection after a storm, drones are no longer a novelty of the future. They are a powerful tool of the present. We've explored the intricate dance of sensors, software and hardware that grants them flight, perception and the intelligence to navigate our complex environments. We've seen how they operate within a framework of regulations designed to ensure safety and order in our skies. The applications are as diverse as our needs. For homeowners, they offer a new layer of security and property awareness. For businesses, they unlock unprecedented efficiency in logistics and infrastructure management. And for our communities, they serve as invaluable allies in public safety, from finding a lost hiker to delivering life-saving medical supplies when every second counts. But beyond the technology itself, the true innovation lies in how these systems integrate into our lives, augmenting our abilities and freeing up our most valuable resource, time. The story, of course, is far from over. We stand at the beginning of a new chapter in automation. The path forward will be shaped by continued advancements in artificial intelligence, more robust communication networks, and an ongoing dialogue about privacy, security, and societal integration. The challenges are real, but the potential to build a safer, more efficient, and more connected world is undeniable. The question is no longer these technologies will become a part of our daily fabric, but we will choose to weave them in. If you found this exploration of autonomous technology insightful and believe in the power of smart innovation to make life easier, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. By staying connected, you help support our mission to demystify complex technologies and explore the trends shaping our future. Your engagement allows us to continue creating in-depth content like this. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Closing technology should simplify life. Don't complicate it. TechProLife technology made simple.